Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. So as usual, let us start with the post market analysis. And this image is not posted on TradingView, but I have downloaded as I have been banned on TradingView to post for at least this week. So please try and refer my videos only, or you can follow it on Twitter as well. So what did we see or what did we analyze? So we had analyzed that the support is growing bigger and bigger and at higher levels. So once this 38,000 resistance was broken, it started acting as a good or strong support. Okay. Another good support was between 38,100 to 200. We had marked or I had marked no trade zone between this 38,200 to 38,400. Okay, and still we can see a resistance level or resistance zone above. So this was our prediction and what I had said yesterday, just for the learning purpose, or keep in mind that when market gives a rally of such kind, okay, very steep rally, then there is always possibility that on the next day market can go a sideways. I had clearly mentioned that at least in the first half there might be a sideways movement, and later after 12, okay, after 12 the market can break on either sides based on the what we can say, based on the buyers or sellers. Okay, so let us see what market behaved or how market behaved today. Okay, so we can clearly see that this zone was at the bottom. Now I have shifted it up based on today's levels marking. So you can see in the first half market was complete in the sideways zone. Okay, and then at around 14, means around 2 p.m. it broke the upper level. Okay, and what we saw, it broke the resistance as a resistance level of 38,500 as well. So I hope you are getting benefit of my analysis. Please do mention into the comment section whether you got benefit, whether you were into loss or whether you were into profit, how my analysis are helping you guys. So why I'm asking you to write the comments or mention your trades into the comment section, because those who are joining new, or at least when you are sharing your trade with me or others, they get to learn from your mistake or your experience or your style of trading. Okay, so this is my humble request to share please your experience regarding the trading as well. Okay, so now let us see what do we have for tomorrow. So this is the daily chart, what we can say. Let us see in daily chart what we can see. We can see a clear bullish movement. Okay, and we don't see hurdle at the top if we look at the previous levels as well. So now I am converting my chart to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so what we can see, that market broke the resistance level of 38,500. Okay, what we can see, and it had just closed above it. So from the previous candle, what we can see, if I mark this level, you can see market faced resistance at this particular level. It came down, and when it uh, tried to break this level second time, it broke successfully and it formed a bullish candle. So this particular candle is a hammer, which indicates a bullish movement. But the later candle, what we can see, is a doji candle. So not only depending on this particular candle we should predict, but we should wait and see what next candle is formed, or what would be the direction of the candle. So whenever such a doji candle is formed, it indicates either a trend change, first thing. Second thing, a continuation pattern. Okay, continuation pattern means at this particular level buyers or sellers are what we can say, either confused or at the same strength, equal strength. If you look at the previous candle, this is a hammer candle which indicates the bullish movement. But let one more candle form, let us wait for the confirmation, and then we can decide the trend based on hourly time frame. Okay, So let us see what do we have for intraday levels on 15 minutes time frame. So at the bottom you can see the strong support is being building. Okay, and at the top we have a strong resistance at 39,000 level. I have marked another level, you can see with this red line, that is 38,800. So this is another we can say good resistance. We have a good resistance zone between 38,700 to 800, and you can see I have marked this level 38,500 as a crucial level with orange color. So why this level would be more crucial from tomorrow's opening point of view? If market opens above this particular level, it would act as a support, and if it opens below, if market opens below, it would act as a resistance. Okay, as we can see market has just closed above this particular level, so we can give a 60-40 of 60% for support and 40% for resistance. So let us see how to take the trade based on market opening. So if market opens above this particular level 38,500, then we may see a 200 point rally. Also immediately do not jump into the trade, as we can clearly see that 38,600 level is good resistance level from where market has reversed. Okay, so let it cross this level, then enter into the trade, then you may get at least a 100-point rally. So of this resistance zone, we can see 38,800 is a good resistance level, so we can say 100 or 200 points rally. You may exit at this particular point, and if it breaks 38,800, then we can see market reaching 39,000 as well. If market opens flat somewhere close to 38,500 and something, then do not enter into the trade. Let it break either 38,600, or at the bottom I can say is 38,450. Let it break, then enter into the trade. So you can see market can come down to this particular level, which is good, or we can say becoming a strong support zone between 38,200 to 300, of which 38,200 is the strong level, and market can bounce back. So this is how we can take the trades based on what we can say market opening analysis. You need to plan your trade, and still market is trading into this channel pattern. You can clearly see how market is respecting its resistance at the top over here as well, first, second, third, yet it haven't broke the channel pattern. If it breaks the channel pattern at this particular level, then we can see a strong momentum. But whenever a breakout is given, do not jump into the trade, and uh, what we can say immediately wait for the confirmation candle and then enter into the trade. So this was it regarding intraday levels and analysis. So what my thinking is, tomorrow may be another day of consolidation, because tomorrow is Wednesday just before a day of expiry, and then on the day of expiry we can see another big movement. Okay, so I'm expecting that market can go uh, a sideways in this particular zone 38,500 to 38,000 maybe. Not completely sure as what I was yesterday. So let us see how market behave. I hope you like my analysis. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get the daily analysis. And also do not forget to share it with your friends. Thank you.